Coming up on New Carlisle Pike. I'm going to try to stay to his right here. Do I have anybody close?
470, 470.
Come south, he's going to do New Carlisle Pike. It's a white male, gray hair, and I think I got lined up for pit.
Okay.
Alright, failed pit, failed pit, failed pit. Continuing northbound, coming up to Taylorsville, 45 miles an hour.
You're clear, failed pit on Taylorsville. Then I'm with it, I'll call it. And it go to the scene to check on the other victim. So now?
They were out in point, and I think he just tossed a gun. Could be car parts coming off.
Then we're going to be continuing westbound on Taylorsville. These are about 40-ish, going for the curves. He went into a house, came up to a house. He crashed into the house?
Get on the grass! Changing! 99, shots fired!
Take the one. Check around front. He ran around back.
I'm with Sean.
Let me get a rifle.
Got it.
I think
Stop! Get on the ground!
Do not move! On your face!
What are you doing?
Get on the grass! Changing! 99, shots fired!
Take the one. Check around front. He ran around back.
I'm with Sean.
Let me get a rifle.
Got it.
I think
Stop! Get on the ground!
Do not move! On your face!
What are you doing?
Get on your face!
He's blocking.
Shut the door. Get your hands behind your back. Do it now.
We got it.